All right, so we are here at my newest listing, 21925 Annette Avenue. This beautiful home is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2,884 square feet. Not to mention, none of those rooms include the humongous bonus room. This room can be used for whatever you want. It could be a man's cave, it could be your kid's playroom, it could be anything you desire. In addition to that, this home has 3 fireplaces and comes with a pool and jacuzzi. You guys, this is the home you've been waiting for. It's priced just right. Come make this your home, make this house a home, bring your buyers. This home won't last very long. One of the bonus features of this home is that the community is a part of the Sun and Sail Club in Lake Forest. This community is huge. It has 4 pools, a jacuzzi, a gym, a playground, lots of grassy areas, barbecue grills. During certain times, they have DJs at the pool, snacks that are being served. So not only is this HOA amazing, but it is super, super low. Again, bring your buyers, they won't be disappointed.